other than Dina Wong. You've got 10 excellent sets, 7 points, 4 attacks, 1 block, and 2 aces. First of all, Dina, anong nararamdaman mo now that you were able to get, your first win to start the year dito sa PBL?
Masaya po. It's a great way to start the year with a win. So hopefully, tuloy-tuloy po namin magagawa po.
Dina, as the playmaker of the team, naramdaman talaga ang impact mo, lalong-lalo na in the beginning of set number 3, all the way up to win the game in set 5. Ano ang tumatakbo sa isip mo? What was your game plan, Dina?
Sa last year kasi, ang dami kong natutunan na nasa labas lang ako. So, lahat na yun, pinag-training namin, and humahanap kami ng mga paraan paano pa mag-improve. So, ano yung maitutulong ko sa team, ibibigay ko po.
So you were able to learn a lot. I want to ask you personally, do you have any goals for yourself? Dahil New Year, diba? Do you have new goals for yourself, Dina?
Hindi na magsisimangot, chat. Hindi po, syempre, full recovery sa tuhod ko, and yun, maibalik ko po yung galaw ko po, yung laro ko po.
Now, Dina, ang daming fans ang sumuporta sa inyong first game back this 2025. Do you have any message for them, to your family and friends? Go ahead.
Thank you po sa inyo. 2025 pa rin, nandito pa rin kayo. Hindi po. Thank you po sa lahat ng Choco Mucho Flying Titans na supporters. Maraming salamat na andito po kayo palagi. Mahal po namin kayo.
And there you have it. The spotlight is hers. We have our player of the game, Dina Wong. Back to you.
Message? Message. More message. Hi lang sa family ko po sa Cebu. Pretty Tit, sinulog na po. Sa Dina Wong Philippines, maraming salamat po. Sa Choco Mucho Flying Titans supporters, sa Rebisco Management, sa buong coaches. Kay Adi D, good luck po. And sa Wong family, hi ma, hi dad. Good senior.
And there you have it. Many things to be thankful for. Back to you.